Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fried udon. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 16 ounces of fresh udon noodles, 8 ounces of your preferred protein like chicken or tofu, and 2 cups of assorted vegetables. For the sauce, combine 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those noodles ready. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook your udon noodles for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are perfectly tender but still have a slight chew. Drain them thoroughly and set aside. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok over medium-high heat. Add your protein, whether it's thinly sliced chicken or firm tofu, and sear it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Remove it from the wok and keep it warm. With the protein set aside, it's time for the vibrant vegetables. Add another teaspoon of oil to the wok if needed, then stir-fry your favorite veggies, such as sliced bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas, for about 2 minutes until they are crisp tender. Pour in your prepared sauce, letting it simmer for about 30 seconds to thicken slightly. Finally, return the cooked udon noodles and seared protein to the wok, tossing everything together to ensure every strand and piece is coated in that delicious sauce. Give everything a final toss in the wok for 1 to 2 minutes, making sure all the ingredients are thoroughly heated through and the flavors have melded beautifully. The aroma alone is incredible. To finish, transfer your delicious stir-fried udon to serving bowls. Garnish generously with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and freshness. Serve this delightful meal immediately to enjoy its optimal texture and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.